On Thursday, the Khasi Students Union (KSU) submitted a 20-point memorandum outlining reformative measures to overhaul the Meghalaya Public Service Commission (Mpsc) to leaders of various political parties ahead of the autumn assembly session on Friday. Led by Employment Monitoring Cell Chairman Ruben Najjar, the KSU first presented the memorandum to TMC President Charles Pangrob at his residence in Mpsc, Shillong. The memorandum was subsequently handed over to the NPP State Working President Hamletson Dorling, VPP Vice President Batskem Marbo, and UDP General Secretary Jamino Mautho. At a press conference held today, Ruben Najjar highlighted several issues with the Meghalaya Public Service Commission, including concerns about the qualifications of its members, the disclosure of candidates' marks for various positions and examinations, and the requirement of local language knowledge, which is standard in other state public service commissions. Najjar mentioned that the memorandum includes several supporting documents aimed at helping the state government to address these irregularities and overhaul the Mpsc to better serve the state's youth and the general public.
Nakaliang kasing kapor pengipin kre yang kena dorkas nila airu katu kene ki documents ki bapher nila attach lang kanang bakat pensuk ke sarkar ban situ ba kajing dawa kajungi kamde ka bangi sudawa haler hendre ngi dawa lingba ka jing pembiang disebut dengi DPI ni nakaliang ka Mizoram Public Service Commission chairman bagi members ki brio ki ba ladi ki civil servants ki ba pass bala shamthai kunju hamanipur ki kuntahi nagalan ki kuntahi asam ki kuntahi kini boro hele hakajala jungi par i members bat chairman ki boro ki point sudah tengi i penbiang kini ki support ki jungi nang bahkan pensuk ya ka sarkar kaju kapor ka MPC barabor ka on ba nakaliang juki kim jula ban disclose ka marks henry ni attach ya ka we kam ni attach ya ka result ba pumi naka Arunachal Pradesh haba ka declaration jaka pimi patba jaka marks ki junki kalong ka bakhui ba ki pimi bat karteng bat roll number bat ka personal interview bat ka marks for examination kum kini ki pimi ba kim commission kam dan ka ba banle hi ka bapuri hendrei kile ka bakuru sakawai matjing dawai ba kong santam kolong ba dengi pe yakawi ki jela kinu break ba apply ya ka kam hapo MPSC ki di ban tip ya khtin chong hamizora ki di tip ya khtin mizo ham manipuri ki di tip khtin manipuri ajela jungi pat ki aila bit kinu ki application ba file di ban data no India ho di ban nong dia di haju kapor kaji dawa kaji di ban ba ungu ba apply kam di ban tip ya ka khasi ne ya ka garu khtin garu kanang ba kan suk ban communicate pat ba ne karan pat ba bat kin stu ya ka issue bat ka jingi hapo ka jela kini i bro ina apin biang bat ni kerman ba kanyarap sarkar.
The ICFA University Meghalaya Admission Open 2024. The university offers program courses in the schools of Management, Humanities, Social Sciences and Science and Technologies for both undergraduate and postgraduate programs, UG and PG programs. Full-time campus programs offered under the undergraduate programs are BBA, BCA, BCom, BTTM, BA, Economics, Political Science, English and Education. For PG programs are MBA, MCom, MTTM, MCA, MA, Political Science, English and Education, MA Khasi, MSW and MA Music. For further information and details, visit or contact the ICFA University Meghalaya Shillong Campus, Powerville near Shillong Law College, Dhangati, Meghalaya. Phone number 0364 222 0057. 94851 58603 700 505 7728 8794 250646.